Hello everyone. The next one under the discussion of investor transaction is Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act (FATCA). This is very a familiar and an important process as to performed by a mutual fund company under the FATCA and the common reporting standards. This is specifically which is meant for investments coming from outside India. The very idea of this account submission and reporting with the concerned agencies across the world, that means either US or other than the country, used to be any income should not be levied tax on in two places. That is the basic idea. Why should this account has to be maintained and reported to the respective person with here the investor ID of the particular person. Though usually this information has to be resourced by mutual fund companies, financial institutions, and it is going to be issued to the other respective governments under the category of due diligence process, and it's going to be a relevant information provision, relevant information, and submitted with here that especially the US Internal Revenue Service or any other government body, and and then other than the Indian tax authorities. Why? Because mean suppose the person is from foreign nation, then he has to pay the tax only in the foreign country, not in India. Because if for India, the company already paid tax under the dividend distribution or any other cost. So because of the reason, any foreign national should not be taxed in India. They will be taxed only in their own country. So with an idea, the information has to be resourced and shared with here the Indian tax authorities do. And one for this transaction is a transmission, and transaction is for the foreign authorities. The application form requires information. That means once the application is submitted by investor with the company, these all those information has to be relevant. And once this process gets over, and that person is designated as the particular category, then that information has to be sent to the tax residency of respective tax reference ID with the particular country. Once it is every process over and identified under the cover under the set regulation, the entire investment value of all the folios held will be reported to the particular country. And then the identity of the investor and their direct and indirect beneficiaries and the controlling person will be reported. If at all any information is to be added after the first information given to the mutual fund, this has to be provided to the mutual fund institution within the 30 days. So this entire FATCA account and common process reporting, or CRS, what we call the common reporting standard, which is meant for the foreign investor. This is an idea of any income should not place tax on two different places. It has to prove that one, yes, such and such a person is a foreign investor, and his number and his entire folio reported to the particular country. That means no one is exempted to pay tax against their return or revenue generated from the mutual fund market. Thank you.